Are you ready for the future? AI is changing everything. It's not just a trend, it's reshaping industries at lightning speed. As machines take over tasks, we need to upgrade our skills too. Today, we explore why critical thinking and adaptability are crucial in this new era. AI is transforming our workplaces. Robots handle repetitive tasks. But what about human roles? This is where our discussion on critical thinking begins. It's not just about working harder. It's about thinking smarter. Critical thinking involves analyzing information. It helps us make informed decisions. In a world driven by AI, we must distinguish between human insight and automated outputs. This skill keeps us relevant amidst technological changes. Next, let's examine adaptability. Change is the only constant in life. With AI advancing rapidly, we must be willing to adjust. Come what may, being open to learning new tools is essential. Embracing change allows us to thrive, not just survive. Now, let's break down these skills into actionable steps. First, enhance your critical thinking. Start by questioning information critically. Don't accept things at face value. Analyze data, look for bias, and seek diverse perspectives. This helps build a robust mindset. Second, focus on flexibility. Be willing to shift your approach. If one method doesn't work, try another. Stay curious and embrace diverse experiences. This habit cultivates resilience against the inevitable changes around us. Let's dive deeper with an example. Consider a marketing professional. In the past, they relied heavily on traditional methods. Now, they need to adapt to AI tools that analyze consumer data. By enhancing critical thinking, they assess AI outputs effectively. This understanding leads to better marketing strategies. Continuous learning is the thread that binds these skills. Whether attending workshops or engaging in online courses, invest time in expanding your knowledge. It helps you stay updated on AI developments and trends. In summary, critical thinking and adaptability are vital in the AI era. Emphasizing these skills keeps you relevant and prepared for future challenges. Embrace critical thinking to analyze and evaluate. Cultivate adaptability to thrive in change. Now, don't just stand by as technology advances. Take charge of your future. Start enhancing your critical thinking today. Stay adaptable and continuously learn. The future is bright for those who are prepared. Begin this journey now.